Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and this video will probably be a brief one because you probably either have some add-ins or you have your own scripts that deal with the same issue. For me, I didn't have anything at the moment when I needed to delete a lot of imported AutoCAD files, so I quickly create my own script and let's just run the script. So we have a lot of, in this case not, but in my project, but I cannot share that project. So I did have approximately 70 AutoCADs and 42, 43 of them was imported. So over here I just copy paste a couple of AutoCADs. Some of them I did insert with imported function and two of them I inserted with the link function. Also what the script recognized in the original project is a couple of AutoCAD which were probably deleted, but anyone didn't perform purge unused. So also we had AutoCADs like that with link status over here shown not found. So over here, for example, we can select those imported AutoCADs and we can choose either just to delete them to create a report or to delete and create a report. Let's just say for those imported that we want to delete them. That's it. Let's just run the script again. So now, for example, um, let's just create report. We need to choose where to store that Excel. And okay, so like you did clean everything and then you did create a report to send someone. I will open the file. So this is what remained in the model. You will see the name of the AutoCADs, what is the link status, and if AutoCADs have workset, it will say over here what is the workset name. Otherwise, it will tell you some information regarding where is that AutoCAD on which view, on which sheet. And now to the script itself. So BIMorph Nodes have a lot of nodes that deal with AutoCAD. So I did just use what is already available, and I did create this right part, so the user interface and some logic regarding the export of the report. So over here, this BIMorph node find, in this case, to AutoCAD, and over here it will say, okay, those are the elements, what is the link status, what is the workset name, and over here you can see what is the actual AutoCAD name. Then we will use everything in the user interface. User interface will show you all of that, and then because over here we did just say create just a report, over here we will send empty list because we don't want anything to be deleted, we just want to create a report. And over here in this case we needed to create a report. We did tell in the user interface where we want to store that AutoCAD. By default, this node will create file with the name AutoCAD info xlsx, and basically that is it. To run this script, you will need IronPython 2.7, and you will also need these BIMorph nodes. And that is it. Thank you for watching. Bye.